Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add tabs to your spaces on Workona to organize them, for example, or to work with them through a space. So let us dive into this. So guys, open up Workona in your browser. I'm going to use Chrome for that. You will find the Workona extension is installed as a separate tab in the top left corner, as you can see. Make sure that you log into your account. That is going to give you access to all of your saved spaces to the left. So select the space you would like to go with. I can go with this one here with these saved tabs here, or let me go with this space there because it doesn't feature any tabs, as you can see. So to add a new tab, all you need to do, guys, is simply open a new tab here. And after that, simply navigate to the page you would like to add as a tab. You don't need to save anything manually here. Simply navigate back to your space. And there you go. As you can see, the tab has been added automatically because there's that autosave feature for tabs. They get automatically saved to your space here to the left. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.